Keilee, do you like the snow?
No.
Oh.
Hey, Keilee and Kompany. Welcome to our channel.
About to go outside on a snowy adventure. You ready, PJ?
I'm ready to play some snow baseball.
Keilee, what are you doing? Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna play.
I opened the garage so we could walk out that way.
Pick me and play with me.
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
Wow. This is like really deep snow.
Very deep snow.
Yeah. There's a bat in there.
A bat?
Yeah, a baseball bat.
Mommy, we covered up the baseball bat.
Nice, dig it up. Hey.
Got it.
Okay, we're gonna make. Come on, y'all. We're gonna make a big snowman.
Look what me and Peter did so far.
Well, we're gonna make it right here. So get buckets of snow. Buckets of snow.
We need more buckets.
I'll just get this bucket. I'm gonna do some.
Yeah, my fingers are so freezing.
Keilee, put your pile of snow over here.
But I'm gonna help with that.
More snow, more snow.
So I just put the snow in here.
No, keep putting the snow in the bucket and I'll keep dumping it.
Who used this?
No, that's for me to help carve the thing. It has holes in it.
I can't even get my legs off.
Okay, good. Let's see how it looks.
It looks like a snow angel.
Looks like a snow angel. It's a warming station. Mommy and Keilee's inside, getting warm to come back out. And start building more snow. Is it pretty warm in there, Mommy?
No, it's not actually because the car is not moving. So
You gotta rev it.
it's huh?
Rev it. Ring. Rev it.
Did I rev?
No, I didn't hear you hit the gas.
Open the door.
But I put my phone in the regular.
What you talking about, Will?
There you go, Mommy. That's revving.
Keilee, don't mess up this. Why? Keilee, we're making a snowman. Why would you?
Don't mess with that wire.
And don't mess with that either. I'm not. I'm just going around it. Mommy!
Okay, everybody come to the warming center. Daddy's in here. Everybody come to the warming center.
Keilee! Daddy said stop. You're not doing it. Light on it. You gonna go back out there, Daddy?
Yeah, in a minute. It's cold right now.
Yeah, we have to get water first before we go out there. I'm so worried. I am. Oh, you have that one. Please, no one's using that.
The hand warmers warm your hands, not the be putting up there. Face.
It'll get hot.
I would need some blood. You can do that one if you want to.
Sit down, face.
No. I have no choice, and I'm closer to Keilee.
No, this is cold.
Okay.
Get her.
Happy Halloween.
This is the most cold that we have ever seen.
Happy Halloween.
My iPhone froze to death.
Okay, happy
'Cause
Halloween.
Okay,
look,
well, we said the warming center was
it
open
says
today.
this iPhone has experienced an unexpected shutdown because the battery was unable to deliver the necessary peak power.
Oh my
Performance management has been applied to help prevent this from happening again. I'm pretty sure that was from the coldness.
Right, and
It was
so
at
crazy-
73%, now it's at 10.
And what's crazy is because we usually see the iPhone telling us that it's overheated because it's too hot. You know, like we got that in the summertime a lot. But I don't think Siri and the iPhone has ever told us that it's too cold and the phone shut down because it's cold. We ain't used to this, okay? We not from the north, we from the south. We from the dirty south. So we used to dealing with 101 degree weather. We're used to the Fahrenheit. We're not used to the Celsius.
Mommy.
So this is not.
I can't even take pictures.
My phone shut down.
We're not used to this. Your phone shut down? We got rolling blackouts. It's cold. It's 6 degrees. The kids trying to make a snowman, but we got to make the snowman in increments, okay? We ain't even got his body together. We got some type of snow mound.
We got a mountain, and Daddy, what is that on the snowman? I don't know what that is on the
I don't know
snowman.
what that's
We're
about.
about to go finish it. Y'all ready to go back out there?
Yeah.
Frosty just, he might not get his body built today because it's just that cold out.
Get the snow.
Yes, son, I'm trying to warm it. See, my babies, we don't have sufficient gloves. We're not used to this. I asked them, so we got
Oh, these are
swimming suits.
soaking wet.
We got swimming suits and we got
I used to.
suntan lotion and
It's like I just put mine in the bath.
things like that for the heat. We got all
Hold
that.
on, let me go get some more gloves.
We're just
Did you
not
get a
like,
bunch
you know, Daddy, we
I
don't
mean,
have
more
gloves. Yeah, we ain't got
Did you
gloves.
get a
now.
lot
We
of
got
stuff?
socks. We got socks.
More gloves, but the really socks.
Daddy got to edit out because you keep saying gloves, and it's gloves with a V.
Gloves with a V. We got gloves with the V, but the really socks with a S.
Wow, you know
The
it's
really
socks.
socks with the S.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama said if you're getting out, get out. She- The warming station. We're piling out the warming station. Back to the blizzard. The Texas 2021 blizzard. The Texas 2021 blizzard. He ain't got his face mask on. His teeth gonna freeze. The boy teeth gonna freeze.
I'm gonna throw a snowball at you.
Don't throw a snowball at me.
Oh, you just hit Daddy's car. Come here. Daddy.
Stop, PJ.
Who threw that?
Huh?
That's Daddy.
What happened?
Daddy threw a snowball. Daddy threw that. Hey, what? So, I dare you. I do go. I need to go back in. Ooh. Back into the water? Yeah. It's freezing cold. I want to go.
Too old, he can suffer from hypothermia. Daddy already made the snow because it's so bad. I know, I'm giving you socks that are dry. I know it's dry.
Q, you ready for the snow?
No. No.
Why?
Because I don't like snow so much.
Okay, come on, Keilee, let's go out. Here, this is so toasty. I got some toasty sauce for you. Oh, y'all can take a picture.
This is our snowman with his mask on.
I'll take a picture with the snowman.
We need some arms for him, but we don't have no trees. Or do we have a tree? We do have a tree. Let me go get something.
What are you getting?
A stick.
Ow!
No, snowman don't have it.
You gotta get arms.
How to do this?
Once equals 20
We
pounds.
got to jump on the trampoline. We jumped on the trampoline, but we're going to go back in the valley.
Come on, this side. Start walking
No!
around.
Daddy,
Snowman's done.
don't put me on that.
The snowman's done.
You can run, but you can't escape.
Okay, Keilee. We got this child right here. Look, she loves Frozen and Elsa and Anna. She despises quite the contrary.
We love it. Oh, sorry.
Oh my God! As soon as I step out the water center. Okay, Keilee, as much as you like Frozen, you like quite the contrary. I thought the cold never bothered you.
The cold never bothers me anyway.
Quite the contrary. Oh.
Okay, take a picture about the snowman.
Oh, let's take a picture by the snowman and we going in. Come on, quick. Quick. Okay, come on.
Keilee, do you like the snow?
No.
Oh.
Hey, Keilee and Kompany. Welcome to our channel.